Hey you guys, welcome to Blending with Henry. Now I have been trying to make dairy-free whipped cream for years the easy way, but there's been no easy way. Until I discovered my latest obsession, which is my new ISI Gourmet Cream Whipper, dubbed the Easy Gourmet Whip. Now it does a lot of things, but I really wanted it for dairy-free whipped cream. To make this, first you'll need a can of full-fat coconut milk, unsweetened. Now it needs to be very cold, so sit the can in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Make sure it's not light coconut milk. You'll need full fat. Now I found the Thai Kitchen to be one of the best, and it's very mild in taste of coconut, so it really mimics the flavor of heavy whipping cream. It has 12 grams of fat as opposed to the light version that has only 5 grams. Now for perfect results, your coconut milk should have 32 to 36% fat content. To sweeten it, you can add a few drops of stevia or packets of stevia. Now I use vanilla syrup, which is simple syrup with vanilla flavor. Now if your sweetener does not have vanilla flavor, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pouring the coconut milk into the cream whipper canister, you want it to be smooth and well mixed with all your flavors. Now mix your coconut milk with your sweetener and your Vitamix on low speed for about 15 seconds. In the can of coconut milk, the fat solid may be separated from the water in the can. You want to mix all of it until smooth like you see here. Do not discard the water, mix it in. For me, this silicone sleeve is a must-have. Now it's designed to protect your hands from the stainless steel getting too hot to handle or too cold to hold. Now this accessory is sold separately. Now I'm just going to screw on the top. And I chose the tulip decorator tip. And it's important to attach the decorator tip before the next step. This is the nitrous oxide cream charger that makes it all happen. Now this holder will help install the gas into the canister. Now you just want to screw it on until you hear the gas disperse into the canister. Then give it about 10 or more rapid shakes. What's unique here is this makes 5 times the amount of cream than you would normally achieve, and you can store this in the refrigerator for 7 to 10 days to use as you need it. Now, if you want to make a strawberry or blueberry whipped topping, just add a 1/4 cup of puree or syrup while mixing your coconut milk and other flavors in the Vitamix. Purees and some syrups often have seeds, so it's best to use a funnel and very fine sieve to filter out the seeds, as they will get stuck in the cream whipper's nozzle. This turned out amazing. Now it's also my first time adding the strawberry puree, to be honest. You saw it here first, alright? I also like to add a pinch of salt while mixing for added flavor to the whipped cream. So there's a good tip for you guys. I received a lot of amazing emails after I introduced this product on my last video, so I want to show you guys just how amazing it makes coconut milk whipped cream. Now if you want to order the ISI Gourmet Whip, use the links below the video to order on Amazon. Now your purchase supports Blending with Henry when you use my links. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks so much. Alright you guys, it's always fun, and I will see you all next time.